Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Finally, you can access this app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. To continue, select those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now you need to choose I accept in first things first pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. Or click on presets, which is the first section, and pick the best one for you. I will go with that one. If you wish to load one of those presets, select Yes in the pop-up. Then click on the back button, hit Set Wallpaper at the bottom, and click on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I want to apply my wallpaper on home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that Magic Fluids was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!